Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn with Fun. Today we are going to study the types of quadrilateral. In this video I am going to explain you different types of quadrilateral and we are going to see the properties also. This is the family of quadrilateral: kite, trapezoid or trapezium, parallelogram, which is again divided into rhombus, rectangle, square, or we can say that rhombus, square and rectangle are the special type of parallelogram. In this video we are going to cover all these quadrilaterals and we are going to see the property one by one. Let's start with trapezium. Quadrilateral in which two opposite sides are parallel to each other. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD, whereas AD is not parallel to BC. Only two sides are parallel to each other. The property of trapezium is that adjacent angle of trapezium are supplementary angles. That means angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. Now let's see kite. A quadrilateral in which a pair of two consecutive sides are equal. Two consecutive means here you can see AD is equal to AB and CB is equal to CD. Now let's see the properties of kite. From this figure you can draw many properties like side AB is equal to AD, as well as angle ABC will be equal to angle ADC. And here the two diagonals will bisect each other at right angle. That means at the point of intersection they are making right angles. Shortest diagonal, that is diagonal BD, is divided into two equal parts. That means BO will be equal to OD. Now let's see parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. That means if AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC, then that quadrilateral will be termed as parallelogram. Now let's see some properties of parallelograms. The opposite sides of parallelogram will always be equal. That means AB will be equal to CD, AD will be equal to BC, as well as they are parallel to each other. And the opposite angles of parallelogram will be in equal measure. That means they will be equal. Angle A will be equal to angle C, angle B will be equal to angle D. These are opposite angles. The third property is the diagonal of parallelogram will bisect each other. That means AE will be equal to EC and BE is equal to ED. At the point of intersection, they are dividing each other into two equal parts. The fourth property of parallelogram is that the adjacent angles will be supplementary angles. That means angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle D plus angle A will be equal to 180 degree. Now let's see some of the special parallelograms, that is rhombus, rectangle and square. The first we are taking is rhombus. The parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA or AD. When in a parallelogram, if all four sides are equal to each other, then it is a rhombus. Now let's see some of the properties of rhombus. The very first property of rhombus is that rhombus will have all the properties of parallelogram and kite. And the very special property is that the diagonals will bisect each other at right angles. This means at point E they are making 90 degree. Now let's see rectangle. A parallelogram in which opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree. Then it is a rectangle. This is the property of rectangle, that all four angles are 90 degree. Adjacent angles makes a pair of supplementary angles. That means angle A plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. And diagonals are of equal length. This means AC will be equal to BD and they will bisect each other. Now let's see square. A rectangle with all four sides are equal is called square. This means a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square. And the properties are four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. That means they are not going to bisect each other. Diagonals are of equal length. That means AC is equal to BD, and they are perpendicular bisectors to each other. At point E, they are making 90 degree with each other. I hope students that each and every point of this presentation has been clear to you. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.